Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we're going to see a very interesting chicken recipe, which is Thai basil chicken, which you can enjoy as a side dish along with hot steamed rice or even with noodles. And friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so to remain updated with many such interesting recipes. And now let's get started with this amazing chicken recipe. So here I have taken one large chicken breast, which I will cut into small chunks or portions. So you need to cut into bite-sized pieces like this. I'll transfer this to a plate now. Next we need to prepare a sauce. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Next goes 1 tablespoon of hot sauce or red chili sauce, half teaspoon of dark soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and a little bit of water. Now mix all this well so that all the ingredients are well combined. And our sauce is also ready. Then you'll also need some Thai bird's eye chilies. I didn't get hold of the fresh one, so I purchased this online. This is Thai bird's eye chili dipped in vinegar water. So you can use this also in case you don't get the fresh ones. I have taken 5 of them and will chop them. This chicken recipe is going to be a bit spicy, which I enjoy, but please add the bird's eye chilies according to your spice level. So chopping of the chilies is done. I'll transfer this to a bowl. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a pan and into it goes around 1.5 teaspoon of refined oil. Spread the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the oil is hot, we will add lots of minced garlic. I have used here 4 large garlic pods. Next goes 1 small onion finely chopped. You can also use shallots if you want. Now saute the garlic and onions till they turn translucent and aromatic. Now add the chicken pieces or chunks. And on high flame, we will stir for a while until the color of the chicken chunks slightly changes. And now I'm going to season the chicken with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this well, and on medium to high flame we will stir fry the chicken till they turn golden brown and are well cooked. Now reduce the flame to low and we'll let the chicken cook by stirring them occasionally. And after about 2 minutes, the chicken chunks are well cooked and have turned light golden brown. At this stage, we'll add the chopped bird's eye chilies as well as 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix this well. And now time to add the prepared sauce. quickly mix the sauce so that they are well combined and coated well with the chicken chunks. Now reduce the flame to low, as it's time to add some fresh basil, and on low flame we will give a quick stir for a few seconds so that the flavor of basil is well infused with the chicken chunks. And without any further delay, we will turn off the flame as they are ready to be served hot. And here goes our flavorful and spicy Thai basil chicken in the serving plate. Enjoy this with hot steamed rice or even with noodles. I will garnish it with few basil leaves and 2 bird's eye chillies on top. And here it goes. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious Thai basil chicken recipe, as it's so quick and easy to make and it tastes too good. Also share your feedbacks, and if you enjoyed my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.